Do you have to fix things before selling your home? Yes and no. Here's what's actually mandatory. A lot of sellers think they need to fully renovate before listing, but that's not true. What matters comes down to two things: safety and loan approval. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, a realtor with eXp Realty. I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. If a buyer is using financing, especially FHA or VA, certain repairs stop the deal cold. A leaking roof, exposed wiring, broken HVAC, or anything that's a safety hazard. Missing handrails, peeling paint on older homes, major plumbing and electrical problems, appraisers flag all of it. Water heaters need to be strapped, carbon monoxide detectors installed. These aren't optional. Here's what doesn't matter: cosmetic stuff, new paint colors, porcelain counters, that updated kitchen. Buyers can live with those choices. But anything that affects safety, livability, or financing, that's where you pay attention. The difference between knowing what matters and guessing wrong can cost you tens of thousands in negotiations or a dead deal. If you're not sure what in your home could become an issue during a sale, I can walk through it with you and show you exactly what matters and what doesn't. I'm Tanja Odzak. I've sold over $90 million worth of homes and have a decade of experience. Send me a message for a complete list on what repairs are actually required when selling your house. Call me today and let's get you going.